Hey everyone! In today's Roblox Studio tutorial, I'll show you how to build a smooth, curved road using the Redupe plugin. This method is simple, clean, and perfect for city maps, racing games, or any environment where you need realistic roads. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox Studio and go to the Plugins tab at the top. Click Manage Plugins. Click Plus button to add new plugin. Roblox Studio will navigate to Toolbox and switch to Plugins section. Search for Redupe. Find the Redupe plugin and click Install. Once installed, you should see the Redupe button appear in your plugins toolbar. Now we need a single road segment that will be duplicated into a curve. Insert a part into the workspace. Resize it to look like a small road section. Add a dark gray color and optionally a texture for asphalt. Let's add a road texture. Go to Window, open Asset Manager window. Save your project first. Now Asset Manager ready. Click Bulk Import and load the road texture. Drag road texture into road surface. Cool. This will be the base piece used to form the curve. Select your road part. Click the Redupe plugin button. A small window will appear with duplication settings. Set the following. Count how many segments you want in the curve. Rotation. Set a small Y rotation like 5 degrees. This will rotate each duplicate slightly, creating a curve. Use navigation arrows to extrude, adjust the length until the road curve looks smooth. Once happy, click Generate. You now have a curved road. Let's try to make another road curve along X direction. Perfect, now we have curved slope. You also can repeat this action by click Stamp and Repeat button, then Generate. And that's it! You've just created a curved road in Roblox Studio using the Redupe plugin. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more Roblox building tutorials. See you in the next one.